Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a very quick guide on how you can generate AI voiceovers using your Google AI Studio. So, this is super helpful and useful for YouTube videos, shorts, ads, explainers, and marketing content, especially if you want clean voiceovers without recording. So, the first thing that you will have to do is go to aistudio.google.com, and once you're here, you will just have to click playground, and now that you're here, you will just have to click audio, and then you can just choose from this list. So whether it's Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview or Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview, or if you have any other options here, so you can just choose whatever you want. So for example, I want this version here. So what you will just have to do, so this option, this feature right here, which is that of structure, this is where you will paste your script, and the style instructions is uh what kind of tone you want your AI voiceover to be. So for example, you want it to be you want them to read it as in a warm and welcoming tone, then you will just have to instruct them to do that. And of course, these are the speakers. So these are basically uh the, the, the speaker, or the person or the voice. So as you can see, you have two voices here for your script. So yeah, you can just add as many as you want. It really depends on you. Or yeah, that's basically just it. But if you want a single speaker audio, then you can just choose single speaker audio from the mode feature. So yeah, that's basically just it. And if you want a different voice, then you can just choose from this voice list right here. So yeah, that's basically just it. And yeah, once you're done, once you're satisfied with your prompt, with your instructions, with your speakers, you will just have to click this button right here which says run. And yeah, just go ahead and click that. And then of course, you will just have to wait for AI Studio to process your script and outputs as an audio player. And after all that, you will just have to click download, so that you will be able to get the WAV or the MP3 file. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.